Thank you for joining us for this live, in-person gathering at the Google office. Manufacturing leaders unite with Google Cloud to explore the future of decision intelligence. Paula, as global head of supply chain at Google Cloud, her focus is business and industry-driven. Ashwin, at Google Global Solutions, he deploys industrial frameworks so multi-agent architectures can autonomously cooperate. Manju, alongside Google, he helps transform traditional planners into strategic outcome curators. Modern supply chains are bound by complexity. Planners waste hours manually stitching disparate data out of disconnected spreadsheets. Yet bridging this gap unlocks tens of millions in strategic value. The era of incremental improvement is over. Next-generation discovery agents are achieving massive breakthroughs, including a documented 10.4% routing improvement for global logistics leaders. Experience the Planning-in-a-Box Command Center dashboard. Powered by a multi-agent orchestrator, this system transforms reactive firefighting into proactive software execution. The dialogue went deep. Executives and technology experts tackled data maturity, live telemetry, and the shift from operational complexity to pure strategic agility. It was a working session on what's next. Accelerate your evolution. Our methodology allows your team to dream big and start small, beginning with a targeted 4-week pilot that scales into a comprehensive 12-month journey. We are in extraordinary times for manufacturing transformation. Scan the live QR code right now to secure your personalized software demonstration.